How exactly would you trade Home Depot?
Look, Home Depot is a long story for us because right now you have consumer demand that's being supported by stabilizing existing home prices. So they've finally stabilized and people are feeling comfortable about making investments into home improvements, which supports the immediate demand. But they did get hit for the investments that they're making into the their human capital. So the sort of, employee consumer experience and that services shift. But we think that that's going to pay off in the long term. And as we go through the slowdown, there will still be demand and there's an upside when the markets get better.
All right. So maybe if markets get better, just elaborate on that, Gina, for a moment, if you would.
Because Home Depot has an incredible, sort of intellectual property moat, brand moat. People understand it. And a big part of what the experience is there is the customer employee experience. And so they're basically the investments that are going to be made there will just continue to build that value. So that's really kind of where I'm going with that.
All right. What about Walmart? They're before the bell next Thursday. They had that soft outlook when they reported Q4 results in Feb. Discretionary spending is slowing. But then since maybe things are turning in their direction, shares are up 8% on the year. What do you do?
So Walmart here actually has a couple of things. They're making investments, but they have investments that are already paying back. During the pandemic, they really had to get their e-commerce game in order, and now that is up. That is representing a larger and larger hunk of their revenue. They started getting into the global ad space. Hello, Amazon. Hello, Google. And yet they are really making inroads here. And they unveiled plans to do an e-charging network. So they've made investments, they're paying off, and they're making new investments. And that's what they do. And quite frankly, they're also just continuing to innovate in the supply chain experience.
Yeah, there's still the behemoth out there in terms of retail presence and employment. All right. So, Gina, finally, we got Foot Locker, which reports next Friday before the bell. It previously announced it was closing about 400 underperforming mall store locations and replacing them with 300 new format stores, calling 2023 a quote-unquote reset year for the brand. Those shares are up about 3% roughly for the year so far. Is Foot Locker a good story to get into now, or no?
This one's a challenge. You got the weaker outlook because they're making investments into their promotions. But at the end of the day, the sort of moat here is pretty weak. And so, you're depending on traffic, literally foot traffic into Foot Locker. And that's really not how the game is played anymore. So they really need to get with the program.
Gina, before you go, let's get a check on the latest stock draft standing. It's Friday. We love to do this. In the lead, Tori Dunlop in the Financial Feminists. What happened to Tom Bergeron? We've had a lead change over the past week. Bottom of the leaderboard, by the way. Where do we stand here? There they are. Let's see. They're the leaders. Financial Feminists, Mountain Goats. Wow, Ryan Reynolds.
Wow, yeah.
Second place right now. Scarlet Knights minus 2%. Gina, you and Diamond Shields kind of near the back of the pack right now. PayPal and Alphabet seems like it should be doing okay.
Yeah, look, we're at the back of the pack. 9 months is a long time, and it's easy to sort of have that recency bias and invest in things that are good right now. But 9 months from now, we're going to be seeing we're going to be looking past the slowdown and the recession into a recovery. And PayPal is making investments that should be hitting right about that time. So you look at our two stocks. We have the number 2 stock, Google, and the number 19 stock, which is PayPal. And so we think that PayPal is actually going to benefit toward the end of the year, which is right when you're going to be announcing your winners. So let's see how we do.
Let's see. We got a long time to go, Gina. We appreciate your time very much today. Gina Sanchez on 3 Stock Lunch.